everybody, how are you? It is Monday. I gotta look again, March 9th. How are you? I hope you had a great weekend. It is a beautiful Monday here in Chicago. It's going to be about a high of 70 today, and the sun's out. So I've got my t-shirt on. I gotta go off this when I went and saw the Wizard of Oz in Las Vegas. See the back? Pretty awesome. So anyway, that's what's happening just today. Beautiful day. Doing a few things, errands. I have a program later, and I have decided, I've been looking at new tennis shoes for my workout and also for walking, and I've tried a lot of things on. I refuse now to order shoes from Amazon. Sorry, Amazon. I'm a more go to the store, try it on, and like it. And I order these. It may look like there's a little cushion on it, no cushion. So I am going to plunk down some money for a pair of Hoka tennis shoes that are well over $100. Thank you, President Trump, for the tariffs. It's just, they're great shoes. I've looked online, either going to go with the Bondi 9 or the Clifton 10. I need some good things on my feet. These are going back today. One of my errands. They look nice, don't they? Yeah. So, anyway, and I ordered another pair that are arriving today, and those will be sent back ASAP. So, yeah, working on a few seasoning orders. My seasoning's going really slow, the orders right now, and I have somebody I ran into that's finding the steakhouse seasoning, which is amazing. It's a 1-cup glass jar. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? So mix that, it's great. I got to drop that off today and do some work. And I'm also reading my friend David Collins' new book. I'm reading his draft. It's the second time he's asked me to read the draft for his book and give it the opinion, so I really appreciate that. Very nice. Weekend looks busy, got some things going on, a little pre-St. Patty's gathering on Friday. I have a wake for my dear friend Kristen, who passed several weeks ago, and also celebrating the birth of a new baby in my chosen family, to Abby. So welcome Teddy to the world, and to his wonderful parents, Abby and Adam. So completely thrilled about that. It's life finds a way, you know, it really does. I am trying to go through some healthcare stuff right now without a lot of explanation. My current healthcare plan got eliminated when I hit a certain age in February, and so I don't have any healthcare right now. Thank you, you know who. So I'm trying to work through things the next week or so. I'm doing okay, but it's just completely frustrating, and the cost of it, like everybody knows, I just don't know how to do it. And with me and my income not being really great right now, and we'll see. So, you know, I'm a survivor and I'm going to do all I can, but, you know, when you're living alone, it's hard to just maneuver a lot of things in your life. I'll put it that way, especially when you get a little bit older. So, all my peeps out there, you know what I'm talking about. So, yeah, so that's all it's shaken. I had a pretty good weekend. Yesterday was gorgeous outside. And I'm looking forward to what the day brings today in the sun and love and light. And I'm going to buy my Hoka shoes today and do a few errands. I got a program I got to work on. Oh, and I'm speaking at, I'm going to show this right to you now, Serving the Sentence. Doing a speaking gig if you're in the Rogers Park area here in Chicago. That is at 7:30 tomorrow up in Rogers Park. Check it out. It's a great program. It's at a pub, and if the name of the pub passes me, but if you look online, Serving the Sentence in Rogers Park, you'll see it. And it's at 7:30 tomorrow. I think I'm the first storyteller. And then the other thing is I did a podcast for a podcaster in Ireland called Queertage, right here. And we had such a long talk, it's divided up in 2 parts. You can find that on YouTube and also on my Facebook page. and Spotify. So check it out. Please give me some love and support. I would appreciate it. Subscribe, like, and share. Yeah. And I will see you on Thursday. Have a good few days. Behave yourself. Be positive. Pray for peace in our world. And I'll talk to you soon.